Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G42 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this list we have to find the display. Let's tap on it. Now let's localize the option screen timeout right here and tap on it. Here, as you can see, we've got some options at the top, relatively short ones, and at the bottom, the longest option, the 30 minutes. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use, and I will pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is marked immediately, and after getting back, you can see that it is notified also right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.